The focus of this lesson is Intro to Automobile Ownership. Example 1. Carrie purchased a used car for $7,400 and had to pay an 8.5% sales tax. How much did she pay? So the first thing we ask ourselves is, how do I calculate sales tax? We know that sales tax is equal to the price of an item times the sales tax rate. When we multiply the sales tax rate, we must include its decimal form in the formula. So instead of 8.5%, we will be plugging in 0.085. And we know that the price of the item is $7,400. So the sales tax will be equal to $7,400 times a 0.085. Now using our calculator, we have 7,400 times 0.085. We can see that the sales tax will be $629. So Carrie must pay $629 in sales tax. Now keep in mind, that means if Carrie goes to purchase this car, she must have a total of $8,029. And we must also remember that there are likely other fees involved in purchasing the car, so she might need even more than that. Now it's your turn to try. Try this. The sales tax rate in Mary Ann's state is 4%. If she purchases a car for X dollars, express the total cost of the car with sales tax algebraically. Give it a try.